Number one, 1937 Jaguar SS100, $9,500, Spring, Texas. According to the seller, this is a 1937 Jaguar kit car built on a 1977 Ford Mustang 2 platform, 4-cylinder, 4-speed manual. It has a fresh interior, new battery, tires, gas tank, carburetor, and brakes, plus a full tune-up. Fiberglass body with bright chrome accents and a Jaguar-style hood ornament. Vinyl seats, no roof, open-top coupe. Sounds like a fun cruiser for weekend parades and sunny drives. Number two, 1929 Mercedes-Benz Gazelle, $14,500, Stafford, Texas. Seller's description says it is a Gazelle kit car with a clean title, 1,655 miles, and a manual transmission. Runs and drives smooth, simple, and classic roadster vibes. If you want something light and easy to handle, this one sounds ready to enjoy. Number three, 1983 MG TD Replica for $1,952 MG, $3,200, Marrero, Louisiana. According to the seller, this 1983 kit car is a replica of a 1952 MG TD Roadster. Clean title, new tires, engine and transmission reported good. It only needs the carburetor cleaned and rebuilt, so it is a light project with the important bits in place. A straightforward manual sports car feel with that vintage British look. Number four, 1965 Ford Cobra Cobrette, $50,000, Bryan, Texas. Seller's description says this Group 5 Limited Cobrette is a Cobra hybrid on a 1974 Corvette chassis, 350 V8, TH400 automatic. Repainted a deep maroon red a few years back. New painless wiring, new fuel cell with tank pump, and a new interior. Described as driving very well. An attention getter, modern reliability with classic Cobra style. Number five, 1964 Dodge Polara 300, $22,500, Loxley, Alabama. According to the seller, this is a 426 wedge tribute that now runs a mild-built 383 V8 backed by a strong rear with a Dana 60 3.91 gears and a locker plus disc brakes. Clear title, underside painted white, sounds sorted for street fun, classic Mopar line, stout drive line, and a confident stance. Number 6, 2019 Factory 5 Mark IV Cobra, $41,000, Mandeville, Louisiana. Seller's description says it is a Factory 5 replica of a 1965 Shelby Cobra. Build finished in 2020, 351W with a TKO 505 speed. Engine recently rebuilt with upgraded heads and cam, Moser 8.8 rear end, power steering, manual brakes, and a 3-link suspension. It has a sound system, a trunk space mod, fresh air blowers for both foot boxes, and LED lighting in the headlights, wheel wells, cabin, and engine bay. A nicely updated driver with the right hardware. Number 7, 1984 MG TD Duchess, $13,900, Liverpool, Texas. According to the seller, this classic Roadster's LTD Duchess is a 1952 MG TD style replica, assembled in 1984 on a Volkswagen frame and drivetrain. 4-cylinder rear engine with a manual transmission. Suicide doors on both sides, front compartment for storage, classic industry gauges, lights working, brand new engine, vintage look, simple running gear, and easy to maintain. Number 8, AC Shelby Cobra, $40,000, Baytown, Texas. Seller's description says this B&B Cobra replica was built in 1998 with stout 3x2-inch frame rails, 302 V8 with a lumpy B303 cam, T55 speed, and an 8.8 rear on 4-link suspension with 3.08 gears. Mustang 2 style front suspension, fully adjustable coilovers front and rear, recent service including pads, water pump, radiator recondition, and front suspension refresh with QA1 coilovers. Original gel coat, finished with a few marks, original black vinyl interior, starts, runs, and drives perfectly. Driven weekly, garage kept, under 4,000 miles. Number 9, 1957 Porsche 356 Speedster, $30,000, Gurnee, Illinois. According to the seller, this 356 replica by CMC runs a 2.5-liter Subaru engine. Most suspension parts are new. Title shows a 1970 Volkswagen. It has VDO gauges, a short shifter, front drop spindles, and comes with chrome trim not yet installed. Note that it has a gear oil leak from the transaxle and has not been driven this year, so plan for that repair. Selling due to Space's 911 project is finishing up. Number 10, another Porsche 356 Speedster, this time from 1956, listed for $40,000 in Appleton, Wisconsin. Seller's description says it is a vintage Speedster's build purchased as a rolling chassis in 2005 and completed in 2006, 1,915cc crate, engine new in 2006, 4-speed freeway flyer transmission, Nardi steering wheel, new tires, new brake lines, and fluid, full tune-up with compression test, rejetted and tuned carb, fresh oil, and filter. Titled as a 1966 Volkswagen, includes convertible top with windows and a tonneau cover, plus an Airtronic D2 diesel heat and defrost system. Runs and drives great, a clean classic look with practical upgrades. Number 11, 1928 Auburn Convertible, $22,000, Byhalia, Mississippi. According to the seller, this is a homemade all metal 1928 Auburn style replica, not a kit, powered by a 350 Chevy with an automatic and air conditioning, seats for, boat tail rear, comes with patterns, templates, books, parts catalog, and a bill of materials described as pretty much one of a kind. Ready to drive, classic elegance with modern comforts. Number 12, 1973, FiberFab Avenger GTX GT40, $26,999, Loves Park, Illinois. Seller's description says this car is a one-of-one style build with a wide, aggressive stance. Not the typical short Avenger look. Title model listed as Type 1 GT40 replica. House of Colors Oriental Blue Metallic Flake with snow white pearl stripes, painted not decals, custom smoked headlight covers, custom stereo with backup camera, American Racing deep dish wheels, BF Goodrich tires with under 500 miles. Odometer shows 13,519 miles. Described as professionally built with 0 miles on the latest build work, over $20,000 in receipts. A showy GT40 inspired replica that aims for presence and usability. That would be it for this episode. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. See ya.